Good morning, guys. Got up this morning, did another workout. I did standing abs today. The family all joined me. Now I'm about to eat. I have my egg whites with some kale and peppers mixed in there with a little bit of cheese on top and some grapes. Say, I just got a bath. She just had an explosive diaper inside her play center. It was everywhere. She lives up to her name, Penny Pooh. That is why people ever wonder why we call Penny Penny Pooh, is because ever since she was little, she's been having explosive diapers. So she's the Penny Pooh. And then I figured I would share with you guys what I use on Penny when I give her her bath, like the soaps I use, and what I use for her hair. Penny had severe eczema when she was born. It was like really bad. She had to get put on antibiotics because it got infected. And I have been looking around at everything and just found things that work for us to keep it at a standstill, and she hasn't had an outbreak since she was about 4 months. I use this right here, and this is an eczema calming body wash, and I also use the lotion of the same brand. I don't have it in here with me right now. And then this is what I use to wash her hair with. I get it from Trader Joe's. Tea Tree Tingling Shampoo. Those products have saved my life with Penny. Like, seriously, her skin is a lot more smoother. It's your my Penny Pooh.
We went to Toys R Us to do the Toys R Us challenge, which means you have to buy stuff with only $10.
See how many things you can get, or what things you can get of good value with $10, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so what are you guys about to do?
Show our stuff.
Yeah, so you're about to show your stuff, right?
Mm-hmm. So here.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
Okay, so who wants to go first and show what's in their bag?
Me!
Okay, let's look, Bubby. We'll go smallest to biggest. Okay, so what did you get with your $10? Let me see. Hold it up. So Skylar got cool little Play-Doh Minion set. Comes with the Minion Play-Doh and 2 little roller images things that you can put on the Play-Doh. So that's pretty cool. What else did you get? She has some change back, and she was able to get this little keychain tag. And she got a My Little Pony flame. Let's see how much money you spent, Sky. Her total came to $9.15. Okay, so we're gonna see who came the closest to $10. Okay. Marley is next.
That is Barbie Spy Squad.
So a Barbie Spy Squad little pet. My Little Pony. Applejack sleeping in her little bed.
And that's it.
That's it? You only got those 2 things? Okay. And how much was yours? Let me see your receipt. And Marley's total was $6.99. See what Rena got. She got a little mustache from the little coin thing. Charm bracelet making thing. So you can make 2 charm bracelets. And Shopkins. And you can put your Shopkins to make them onto a bracelet you can wear. See, where's your receipt? $9.15. You and Bubby are tied. Naya, so that's it. What she got first? Little keychain girl, monkeys.
And then I got headphones.
And then she got some cool little headphones, blue headphones. And Naya spent $7.57. So there is a tie. You and Skylar take first place with a tie. You guys want to tell them the news about all the stuff?
All the stuff is for giveaway.
Yes, we're going to give it all away, right? So we're putting it all together and going to give it away. So yes, we are going to do a giveaway of all the stuff that the girls had in the challenge that they did, all the stuff that they purchased. We are giving it away to one person gets all this stuff. A Minion Play-Doh set. You can make 2 charm bracelets, some headphones, a keychain game, My Little Pony, Shopkins bracelet, another little My Little Pony thing, and a Super Squad cat. So on top of all that amazing stuff that the kids picked out, we will also be including a $10 Toys R Us gift card so that the special winner can go to Toys R Us and do the challenge for themselves and see what you can buy with $10 at Toys R Us. The way that you guys can enter into the Toys R Us challenge giveaway is by commenting which one of the kids you thought had the best item. You need to, of course, be subscribed to our channel, like the video, and then comment which kids you thought won the challenge and got the best stuff. Hope you guys are excited about the challenge. It's just a little mini giveaway as a way to show our appreciation to you guys. The girls wanted to give back in a way, and I wanted to make it fun for them to give back. So they picked all of these items on their own. The giveaway will be open until next Tuesday, July 19th, 2016. And then I will pick the winner on the 20th, Wednesday. So be sure to enter now so that you can go on and be in the drawing. We're just going to put everyone's name into a bucket and we will randomly pick it on Wednesday the 20th in a video.